Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to draw an awesome-looking cruise ship step by step. Grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the ship's body. Start with an inverted trapezoid at the center of your paper and add some slanted lines. It's already starting to take shape. Step 2. Draw the decks. Draw one rectangle on top of your ship's body and then another, slightly smaller one above it. Modern cruise ships have tons of decks, but we're keeping it simple with just 2. Step 3. Add the smokestacks. Let's sketch out 2 smokestacks and a wind tower. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Details about our products and services are in the description below. Step 4. Add the windows. Let's draw some windows on both decks by adding rows of small rectangles. Step 5. Add the railings. Add horizontal lines and vertical lines for the railings to ensure the passenger's safety. Step 6. Add the circular windows. Let's add circular windows for the lower decks of the cruise ship. Perfect circles, no overlaps, and that's it. Step 7. Adding color and background. Let's add a splash of color and a background. Go ahead and use your favorite colors and let's make it pop. Finally, our cruise ship is ready. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw a cruise ship. The more you practice drawing, the better you'll get. And don't forget to check out the video description for more on our art tutorials and services. And let us know if you have any other vehicle requests. Thanks for watching.